Hi everyone, welcome to SystemEver. In this video, we are going to learn how to show the inputted data from income statement. This program will give a report of the profit and loss performance in a company from the selected current period range and compares between one period to the selected previous period. On top of the program, there is Toolbar Panel. This inquiry is to show the data. General Ledger as a jump menu to General Ledger program. Print button to print the results. Click Display Zero Amount to show all the accounts, including the unused accounts. Choose one of the languages if it's necessary. When all is set, click Inquiry. This is the result. On the right side of the program, there is Item Display Setting. It will show the account level which is listed and managed on Chart of Account. The more levels you choose, the more accounts are shown. For example, if we only choose the first level, it will give you the screen. If we add the second level, it will give you a more comprehensive result. Double-click on the entry account. It will show the general ledger information of the related account. Or select one of the entry accounts and click General Ledger button. You can also print the result by clicking the Print button on the top panel. However, the printout will differ according to each company's format. That's the final of income statement. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Should you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us email. SystemEver, making your business better.